Understanding drone crash, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the meaning of the phrase, drone crash. This phrase can be quite common in news stories or technology discussions, but what does it really mean? Stay with us as we break it down for you. Before we understand what a drone crash is, it's important to know what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a type of aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drones can be controlled remotely by a person or can fly autonomously based on pre-programmed plans or more complex dynamic automation systems. The word crash in English generally means a sudden, violent collision. It's used to describe what happens when something hits another object with force, often causing damage. This word can be applied to many situations, from car accidents to computer failures. When we combine the two words, drone crash refers to an incident where a drone collides with something else, which can result in the drone falling to the ground or water, or breaking apart. This term is used to describe accidents involving drones during operation, which could be due to various reasons such as mechanical failures, control issues, or unexpected obstacles. Understanding the term, drone crash, is not just about learning new words. It's about being aware of a growing field of technology and some of the problems that come with it. As drones become more popular for hobbies, business, and research, the occurrence and risks of drone crashes increase. It's a relevant term that touches on safety, privacy, and regulatory concerns. Let's use drone crash in a few sentences. The news reported a drone crash near the airport, which caused several flights to be delayed. After losing control of my new UAV, I watched helplessly as it was headed for a drone crash. The company is investigating the cause of the drone crash to improve the safety of their models. We hope this explanation clears up what a drone crash is and why it's significant. Understanding these modern terms can help you keep up with current events and technological advances. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.